yeah, let's get into it. Our Watermelon Vodkarita. Okay, so today we're gonna deep dive into the Absolut Watermelon. I'm gonna show you how to make a group serve Frozen Watermelon Vodkarita. Oh, it's that really sweet, ripe watermelon coming through. It's amazing, it's art. Watermelon!
I feel like this drink is 1000% watermelon. It's juicy, it's fluffy, ice cold.
Summer in a glass. That is insane.
This is very tasty.
It's getting warm in here. All the studio lights, you know. We need a little cool down. I'm AJ, and this is Absolut Drinks with AJ. Let's get into it. Usually when I come up with a drink, I usually go back to my old, I call it the salad trick. For Absolut Watermelon, I would think of what do I use watermelon in when I cook with it. In summertime, I usually make a summer salad with watermelon, feta, basil, and some mint. And that was where my mind went. I will think of how do I use this flavor in food. And I have some friends coming over, so I'm gonna make a group serve of the Absolut Watermelon Vodkarita. Throws me right into the summer. There's a lot of smell to it. There's gonna be a lot of great things coming out of this one. So let's get into it. We're gonna use a jigger, of course a spoon because we're gonna be digging out the watermelon, and of course a blender because we're gonna make it frozen. Whew. The Absolut Watermelon, the star. We're gonna need some orange liqueur, some lime juice, and some simple syrup, some ice. We're gonna use some salt because we're playing on the margarita, and a whole watermelon. Just gonna cut off the top. We're gonna start off with the cheapest ingredients first. So 1 part simple syrup, 1 part lime juice. Gonna do half a part of the Orange Curaçao. We're gonna do 2 parts Absolut Watermelon. Oh God, so good. And 2 parts watermelon juice, but we're just gonna wing it. For the rest, as we're gonna use this watermelon as our drinking vessel, just need to get some space in there. Come closer, Max. Look at all the juice in here. Gonna get it nice and clean around the edges. This is the messy part. We're gonna chuck in some ice, because we wanna make it frozen. You know, just wing it. We're gonna start off with not too many, and then we're just gonna build up if we're not happy with the consistence.
What?
Consistence of the drink. Here we go for the drama. See, it's still a little bit watery. Let's taste it. Oof, that is nice. So we're gonna add some more ice. This will do the trick. Is that slushy enough for you?
Yes.
That's exactly what we want. It's perfect for me. That was a hard one, that was a hard one. It's sweet, but not too sweet because we got the lime juice in there. Here we go, for the fun part. And as you all had a margarita before, we're gonna rim the whole watermelon. So just get a big plate or something, really get it in there. Wow. It's that really sweet, ripe watermelon coming through. Now we just pour it up. Oh, get a little top. I'm gonna use some of these to just make it pretty. Amazing. The Frozen Watermelon Vodkarita. So it's a little bit wobbly, but we're gonna try and stabilize it, making a little foot stand for it. Maybe get out some of this. This is creativity on a new level.
Have you done this before?
Nope. It's amazing, it's art. Woo! So as this is a group serve, and I said there was coming some friends over, I'm gonna invite one of my closest friends, Elyse. But before she comes in, hit the like button, and she will come in from the right. Oh God. And hit the subscribe button, and she will join from the right. So, are you ready to taste it?
I'm very ready. This looks delicious.
Oh, this is amazing. Okay, we're gonna grab some glasses. You know what? I'm gonna rim it with salt because I can.
This watermelon's juicy.
It is. Oh,
Hell yeah. I think it kind of makes me feel like it's somewhere between a sorbet and a slushie. The taste of summer, right here in the studio.
cheers. Summer in a glass.
It's juicy, it's fluffy, it's ice cold, a little salty.
On a hot summer day.
Yeah, it's hot as in here, so I feel like this drink is 1000% watermelon in all kinds. So yes, she is present.
Before you leave, to make this even better, hit the subscribe again, hit the like again.
And don't forget to mix one of these up at home. You saw how easy it was with AJ. Post a picture, hashtag it with Absolut Drinks, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
This is very tasty.
You're so crazy.
The taste of summer.